Have you ever sneezed so hard you thought your head might explode? We've all been there. But what about sneezing so hard you could knock down a house? Sounds crazy, right? It is. Today we're diving into the science of sneezes to see if these powerful puffs could ever pack enough punch to level a building. Get ready for some serious snot science. Let's break down the sneeze, shall we? Sneezing is one of those involuntary actions that we all experience, but have you ever wondered what actually triggers it? It's a fascinating process that involves multiple parts of your body working together in perfect harmony. It all starts with an irritation in your nose. This irritation can be caused by a variety of factors such as dust, pollen, or even a sudden change in temperature. When these irritants enter your nasal passages, they stimulate the sensitive nerve endings inside your nose. Dust, pollen, or even a tickle can set it off. These tiny particles are often invisible to the naked eye, but your nose is incredibly adept at detecting them. Once these particles are detected, a signal is sent to your brain, specifically to the sneeze center located in the lower part of your brainstem. Your body's like, nope, get this out of here. The brain then sends a message to various muscles in your body, instructing them to work together to expel the irritant. This is why you often feel a buildup before you actually sneeze. Your chest muscles contract, building up pressure like a balloon about to burst. Then, your diaphragm, the large muscle located below your lungs, also contracts, forcing air out of your lungs at high speed. This rapid expulsion of air is what we recognize as a sneeze. Air blasts out your nose and mouth, carrying those pesky irritants with it. The force of a sneeze can propel these particles at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, and they can travel distances of up to 30 feet. This is why it's so important to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze. It's your body's way of evicting unwanted guests. After the sneeze, you often feel a sense of relief as the irritant has been expelled. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember that it's your body's natural defense mechanism at work, keeping you safe from potential harm. Hold on to your hats, folks, because sneezes are seriously speedy. You might not realize it, but every time you sneeze, you're unleashing a powerful force. The average sneeze clocks in at about 100 miles per hour. That's right, 100 miles per hour. Imagine driving down the highway at top speed and that's how fast your sneeze is traveling. It's like having a mini hurricane right in your nostrils. The sheer force of a sneeze is enough to clear out any irritants from your nasal passages, but it also means that anything in its path is in for a wild ride. All that air and mucus needs to escape somehow, and it does so with a force that can send tiny droplets flying up to 20 feet. That's right, 20 feet. Imagine the distance a sneeze can cover in just a split second. These droplets can carry germs and viruses, making it crucial to cover your mouth and nose when you feel a sneeze coming on. It's not just about being polite. It's about keeping those around you safe from potential illness. No one wants a face full of sneeze shrapnel. So, next time you feel that tickle in your nose, be prepared. Grab a tissue or use the crook of your elbow to shield others from the blast. It's a small action that can make a big difference in preventing the spread of germs. And don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly after sneezing. Soap and water are your best defense against the germs that can linger on your hands. A good hand wash can help ensure that your sneeze doesn't lead to the spread of illness. If soap and water aren't available, hand sanitizer is a great alternative. Make sure to use a sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol to effectively kill germs. Sneezing is a natural and necessary bodily function, but with a few simple precautions, we can all do our part to keep our communities healthy. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember these tips and sneeze responsibly. Now for the big question, could all that snot-powered force take down a wall? Sadly no. Even the most epic sneeze doesn't come close to the force needed to crumble concrete or crack brick. We're talking tons of pressure here, folks. Your average sneeze might ruffle some feathers, but it won't be toppling any towers anytime soon. Section 5. Could we supercharge a sneeze? The science says, maybe. Sneezing is a natural reflex that helps clear our nasal passages of irritants. It's a powerful burst of air traveling at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. But what if we could take this already impressive force and make it even stronger? Could we harness the power of a sneeze in ways we've never imagined before? But what if we could crank up the sneeze power? Imagine having the ability to control the intensity of your sneeze with the turn of a dial. You could go from a gentle breeze to a hurricane-force gust in an instant. This might sound like science fiction, but let's explore the possibilities. What kind of technology would we need to develop to make this a reality? Could we use existing machines, or would we need to invent something entirely new? Imagine a sneeze so strong it could blow out birthday candles from across the room. This would be a game changer for birthday parties, no more leaning over the cake and risking spreading germs. But beyond the party tricks, what practical applications could a supercharged sneeze have? Could it be used in medical treatments, perhaps to clear blocked airways more effectively? Or maybe in industrial settings to blow away debris or clean surfaces with precision? While we can't defy the laws of physics, we can explore some wacky hypotheticals. For instance, what if we could manipulate the air pressure in our nasal passages to create a controlled explosion? This might sound dangerous, but with the right safety measures, it could be a revolutionary way to harness the power of a sneeze. Scientists are always pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and who knows what the future holds. What if we could harness the power of a jet engine and channel it through our noses? Jet engines are incredibly powerful, capable of propelling massive airplanes through the sky. If we could somehow miniaturize this technology and adapt it for human use, the results could be astonishing. Imagine being able to sneeze with the force of a jet engine, clearing your sinuses in an instant and with incredible efficiency. This might sound far-fetched, but it's fun to think about the possibilities. Or maybe create a super sneeze serum that amplifies those nasal blasts. Scientists are already working on ways to enhance our natural abilities, from strength-boosting drugs to cognitive enhancers. A super sneeze serum could be the next big thing in this field. By targeting the muscles and nerves involved in sneezing, we could create a formula that makes each sneeze more powerful and effective. This could have a range of applications, from medical treatments to everyday convenience. It's the stuff of science fiction, but hey, a little imagination never hurt. Thinking outside the box is how many great inventions and discoveries have been made. While supercharging a sneeze might not be on the top of everyone's list, it's a fun thought experiment that gets us thinking about the potential of human ingenuity. Who knows, maybe one day we'll look back and laugh at how we used to sneeze the old-fashioned way. Until then, keep dreaming and stay curious. Section 6, from mild to wild ranking sneeze power-ups. Let's rank these sneeze-powered scenarios, shall we? A regular sneeze? Pretty tame. A sneeze amplified by a trumpet? Now we're talking. A sneeze fueled by a rocket engine? Okay, that's just getting ridiculous. But it's fun to think about the possibilities, right? Section 7. The myth of the sneeze-powered house demolition. So, the myth of the sneeze-powered house demolition is busted. Our noses just aren't built for that kind of destruction. But that doesn't mean sneezes aren't amazing feats of biology. They're a reminder of the incredible power our bodies possess, even in the most unexpected ways. Section 8. So, can you sneeze down a house? The short answer? Nope, but that doesn't make sneezes any less awesome. They're a fascinating example of the physics at work in our everyday lives. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, embrace the power of your own personal air cannon. Just maybe aim it away from any unsuspecting bystanders. Section 9. Stay safe and sneeze responsibly. Remember, sneezes might not topple buildings, but they can spread germs. So be sure to cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow to keep those microscopic troublemakers at bay. Stay healthy, stay curious, and keep on exploring